Welcome to our channel. Setting up the Optimum Streaming App on your smart TV gives you access to live TV and on-demand content. Step 1. Ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to your smart TV's App Store, which might be called the App Gallery, Content Store, or Smart Hub depending on your TV brand. Step 3. Search for the Optimum app in the App Store's search function. Type Optimum using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Optimum app from the search results and click Download or Install. Step 5. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. This process usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Open the Optimum app once installation is complete by selecting it from your app's menu. Step 7. Choose the sign-in option on the welcome screen. An activation code will appear on your TV. Step 8. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, visit optimum.net, activate in a web browser. Step 9. Log in with your Optimum account credentials, including your Optimum ID and password. Step 10. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen and click Submit. Your smart TV will automatically refresh and grant access to your Optimum content. Start watching your favorite channels and shows immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.